Welcome to this 33 square ground floor unit in Bains Game Lodge. As you can see, it is a nice and spacious unit. The unit does include prepaid electricity, as well as a desk for prospective students. The kitchen itself, the kitchen area, has plenty of space for a fridge, as well as possibly a washing machine, granite tops, under-counter oven, as well as a hob. This property is ideal for young working people as well as students. The bathroom itself also has a sliding door, which just makes it a little bit better in terms of space. So do not miss out on this investment property.